For years, we've been told that painting every single wall stark white is the ultimate secret to making a small home look spacious. We bought the glossy white furniture, cleared every surface, and chased a pristine, ultra-minimalist look. But as you sit in that space, it can easily feel less like a peaceful sanctuary and more like a sterile clinic. There is a common misconception that a cozy home must be a cluttered home, or that warmth inherently makes a room feel crowded. So we stick to the safety of cold, bright white, sacrificing personality for the illusion of space. But true elegance isn't about erasing character. It's about choosing elements that carry deep comfort. In this video, we are officially saying goodbye to flat, clinical minimalism. We will look at how to transition into a new design era that embraces depth, soul, and effortless luxury. We will explore how to pick the right paint alternatives, how to layer comforting textiles, and how to create an inviting layout that feels incredibly high. But make sure you stay tuned until the middle of our breakdown, because I am going to reveal an exclusive design concept called the tactile shadow rule. This is a specific visual technique that uses microscopic shadows to make small walls feel expansive and warm simultaneously. It is an insider trick that changes everything. Segment 1. Moving beyond sterile white, the psychology of warm neutrals. To move away from cold minimalism, we first need to change our perspective on paint. Stark white reflects light in a very flat, aggressive way, which can expose the hard edges of a small room. Instead, we want to look at warm neutrals that absorb and soften the light, making the walls feel like they are gently receding. Look for shades with soft undertones of mushroom, linen, warm beige, or gentle greige. These colors immediately give a room a sense of history and calm. They act as a sophisticated canvas that feels layered and expensive, even if the room is completely empty, instantly shifting the emotional energy of your home. When applying these warmer tones in a small space, try the color drenching method. This means painting your walls, baseboards, and even the ceiling in the exact same soft, neutral shade. Eliminating the stark white contrast of a traditional ceiling removes visual boundaries, making your small layout feel taller and beautifully unified. Segment 2. The Tactile Shadow Rule, the Hidden Secret. This brings us to the exclusive secret we highlighted earlier, the tactile shadow rule. When a room is painted flat white, there are no soft visual transitions, which deprives your brain of a sense of physical depth. To make a small home feel incredibly cozy without making it look small, we must introduce what designers call microscopic depth. Instead of perfectly smooth, glossy walls, we apply subtle, soft-textured finishes like lime wash paint or micro-cement effects. When light hits these organic surfaces, it creates thousands of tiny, invisible shadows. These micro-shadows trick the eye into perceiving a much larger, multi-dimensional space that feels alive and cocooning. You can also apply this rule directly to your furniture selection. Instead of choosing flat leather or smooth synthetics, opt for materials with inherent depth, like woven linen, buccal, or brushed velvet. These fabrics interact beautifully with ambient light, casting tiny shadows within the weave that instantly project a high-end feel. Segment 3. Organic materials and soulful textures. Transitioning away from clinical white minimalism also means embracing materials with soul and natural variation. Sterile spaces rely heavily on cold, chrome, glass, and perfect plastics. To bring a small home to life, we need to balance those hard surfaces with the grounding presence of organic elements that tell a story. Integrate rich wood tones with visible grain, such as a rustic oak coffee table or walnut floating shelves. Wood inherently carries warmth and absorbs harsh light. Even a small touch, like a raw timber stool placed in a corner, acts as a visual anchor that instantly breaks up the monotony of a plain neutral space. Combine these wooden elements with unlacquered brass hardware, matte ceramics, and natural stone accessories like travertine trays. These materials age beautifully over time, developing a natural patina. This subtle imperfection is the exact opposite of cold minimalism. It represents authentic luxury and slow living. Segment 4. Low contrast, lighting and ambient polish. The final, crucial layer that transforms a space from cold to cozy is your lighting strategy. A warm color palette can still feel clinical if it is flooded by harsh, blue-toned overhead lighting. In small homes, lighting should be used like a paintbrush, creating pockets of warmth that draw people in. Switch out any cool-toned bulbs for warm light sources, ideally around 2700 Kelvin. Instead of relying on a central ceiling fixture, create an elegant lighting ecosystem using table lamps, floor lamps, and directional wall sconces. This low-contrast approach creates a soft, moody gradient of light throughout the room. To finish the look, add a final polish with thoughtful, edited textiles. A heavy, oversized knit throw blanket draped over an accent chair, or floor-to-ceiling linen curtains that puddle slightly on the floor. These deliberate touches soften the sharp architectural lines of a small home, completing the transition. Cultivating a home with soul. Moving on from flat white minimalism isn't about cluttering your home with endless decor pieces. It is about shifting your design focus from sterile perfection to rich, emotional comfort. It is about creating a space that honors your need for openness while providing a deep sense of security and absolute tranquility. By drenching your rooms in warm neutrals, practicing the tactile shadow rule, and layering natural materials, you can easily cultivate a home that feels like a warm hug. Your small home doesn't need to look like an empty art gallery to look sophisticated. It just needs to feel beautifully, authentically human. If you are ready to bring more warmth into your living space, please give this video a like and subscribe to Aesthetic Nest for more intentional design tips. I would love to hear from you in the comments below. What is one element in your home that currently feels too cold? Let's fix it. Thank you for watching.